What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day, guys. First, we look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. After that, we'll look at prices in a little bit of details because I think things are beginning to play out. And again, after that, we will look at the positions so that we can see whether we're going up, down, left, right, whatever they're doing. Actually, I'm going to show you my positions and you can compare from there. But before we get to that, guys, one thing I've been noticing, okay? People talking about swing trading assets, okay? There's one thing that is true. There are assets that are worth swing trading. There are other assets that you want to hold. Like I said, I don't do that is one of the reasons why I don't do daily trading. Okay, I don't do daily trading because when you swing trade an asset, okay? Let me use Bitcoin and Casper, for example. Let's say, for example, you are, come on. Let's change this here. Let's say, okay, some people, they think that 17 cents that we just hit on Casper was the market top. Okay, there you see some people over there celebrating like, oh yeah, I made, let's say, 1.5x of my money because they probably got in at 14 cents and rode it all the way up to 17 cents. Okay, oh yeah, I made money with that. I'm glad I closed it before it started coming back down again and stuff like that. Okay, but the one thing I want to tell you guys is you have to really you have to really pay attention to coins like Casper. Okay, that's why I told you we got to use Bitcoin today. Could you imagine if you had bought Bitcoin at $3,000, okay, and then it went back to let's say all-time high, $17,000. Because when it went to all-time high, we remember the correction that happened. Oh yeah, you know what? I'm glad I sold it at $17,000. Could you imagine what you'll be feeling like today? That Bitcoin is almost $100,000. Could you? I mean, like, play that thing in your head a little bit. It's just like that's how I tell guys. My spot positions on Casper, I'm not touching those because I'm pretty sure I know I'm going to make a lot of money using leverage. But you see some people that they do that. Casper goes to 17 cents. They sell hoping to come back down to buy it at 12, 13 cents. But one thing I got to tell you guys, if you're doing this, you are in for a big surprise. You are in for a big surprise, guys. That's the same thing, because like right now, everybody else is looking at Casper, talking about, oh yeah, it's not moving, it is not, worth it, and it's not this and that. The truth is that Casper is going to be a powerhouse. Okay, we have talked about this a lot of times. Why do you think that Ethereum got so popular? Because of smart contracts, because of DeFi, because of gaming, NFTs, you call it. Okay? And then you have Solana. Solana came in, although for me, I don't see Solana being that powerful as many people think, because when you look at Solana's ecosystem, it's almost 90% meme coins. That's what it is. I don't see no many DeFi protocols. I don't see no many gaming protocols and stuff like that. What I see when I look at Solana is meme coins only. That's it. But you ask yourself, why would people, instead of making meme coins on Ethereum, why are they making them on Solana? That's the first question. Number one is Solana is faster than Ethereum. I can't say it's more scalable because Solana crashes most of the time. But yet, speed of transaction is what attracts people to Solana versus Ethereum, or even versus Bitcoin. Okay, and then you see people moving to Tron. Why? Because guess what? Tron is faster than Solana. Did you see the trend? See the trend right there? And now, Casper is coming in. Right now, we are one transaction for every second, 1 block per second. That's what's happening right now. Very soon, the crescendo upgrade will be here. Do you know what that means? 10 blocks per second. That's what that means. And before you know that, dark nights will be here, which is even crazier than the crescendo. So you tell me, people that are investing and developing DeFi, do you think they want to wait? What's the confirmation time for Ethereum? What's the confirmation time for Solana? Do you think people want to wait? The same thing that happened when the transition from Ethereum, the same thing that happened when the transition from Ethereum to Solana, from Solana to Tron, is the same thing that is going to happen. When I tell you guys, 90 or 95% of all these protocols are going to be on Casper. Right now, the KII, they already started the Casper University. You guys already probably heard the news already. Why do you think they're doing that? Because in preparation of the smart contract, they are now teaching developers, people that want to learn the GitHub and whatever, all that mumbo jumbo. You guys know I'm not interested in that. All I'm interested in seeing money. But for developers, that is a very very interesting thing that they have to look at. Okay, so yeah, you begin to see those things start to happen. So once the smart contracts show up here, a lot of people still think like, you know what, since smart contracts is going to be probably in May, April, May next year, or sometime that about, or we won't have enough time for the ecosystem to grow. Yep, you're right about that. But one thing you got to understand, that developers, they're not looking at the bull run. Developers are looking at where they're going to make more money at. Okay, because if, let's say, if you have a DeFi protocol on Solana, which is confirming transaction at X amount of time, versus the same DeFi protocol on Casper that is confirming transaction 100 times faster than the Solana one, where do you think they're going to go? The ecosystem is going to blow out of proportion. Okay, and then you will see these people who are right now, oh, you know what? Casper is at 15 cents. I'm glad I sold at 17. Trust me, you are in for a surprise, because these guys, like I told you the last time, they are the people who are going to come in and buy this Casper right now, because they're expecting Casper to drop down to 10 cents again. When I'm telling you guys it's not going to happen, well, once they see the Casper price starts to run up again, guess what? They're about to start buying it again, going up for it. Not just Casper. I always tell you guys, you have to pick coins that are going to print you money. I've been almost, I think I'm the only one on Twitter, on YouTube right now, talking about Quant. And I'm telling you guys that Quant, guys, is a diamond right in front of your eyes. You've got to gather Quant. Just by looking at the price action alone, you can see that Quant is forming this massive bull flag. And when that thing blows up, it's going to take Quant above $100 for sure. You guys are going to see it. And many people right now, okay, maybe they're still in disbelief. Maybe they still don't believe that, oh, the price action that you just saw Quant do from 58 all the way to $95, they still don't believe it. Look at where we are consolidating on Quant. 80, 88, $85. That's what we are consolidating right now. And you're about to see what Quant is about to do, because the charts don't lie. Charts don't lie. Right now, all coins like Casper, Quant, Jasmine, they are not running. I told you guys, go check my videos. Like I said, Bitcoin is going to go to 100K or close to it. Once it happens, the price is going to correct. The Bitcoin dominance is going to drop, and then you are going to see Casper, Quant, Jasmine, and the rest of them. They are going to take their market share. They are going to take their market share by, you're going to see them start to run. And when I say run, they are going to run heavily. You do not want to sleep on those things. And do not, guys, do not swing trade these coins. Swing trades, yeah, they're going to make you a little money, but in the long run, you are going to regret ever doing that. Okay, so I'm trying to make this video a little fast, a little faster. But anyways, now let's go look at the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay, so let's go right here, crypto bubbles. See, market has already started to pick up for the past day, although for the past hour it tells a different story. But anyways, now let's go look at the coins that we are trading, and this is my millionaire journey. First, King Casper, right here. For the past hour, Casper is up 0.56%, 1.1% up on the day, 8.7% up on the week, 13.9% up on the month, and 10.6% up on the year. Market cap still sitting at $3.86 billion. And the trading volume, guys, you see that? The trading volume for the past 24 hours is going up. Right now, we are sitting at $150.81 million. If you look at Quant, QNT, right here, for the past hour, Quant is up 0.31%, 1.2% down on the day, 39.8% up on the week, 33.3% up on the month, and 12.3% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.26 billion, with a 24 hours trading volume sitting at $60 million. Now, if you look at Jasmy, JAS, looking at it here, for the past hour, Jasmy is down 0.86%, 4.2% up on the day, 0.11% down on the week, 6.5% up on the month, and 304% up on the year, sitting at the market cap of $995 million. We came down from that $1 billion that it was, and a 24-hour trading volume at $181 million. Now, to look at this, now let's go look at prices in a little bit details. Like I said, a lot of people, you are in for a big surprise. We about to start first with let's go here. We about to start first with King Casper. For example, let me have the charts. This is Casper. Did you see what I'm talking about? I told you guys, we already started to run. If you guys remember when I gave you guys my signal 2 videos ago, something like that, we were sitting somewhere around here. And I do remember telling you guys, like, okay, this is the time I usually enter. I don't wait for price confirmation. As you can see, look at the ribbon. It's curving completely now. It's curving, going up. As you can see, we form a W. That's the first leg. Second leg that is already forming. Now, once price breaks this 15.6 cents, yep, we up. We're going all the way all up again. But anyways, this is what's happening right now. This move is what I was anticipating, and when I was telling you guys, like, okay, Casper is getting ready to move, and it's playing out exactly like we said. See that? That's one, that's two. We are above this resistance, okay? Now it's turned support. We are above the moving average, which is being supported, and right now we are trying to conquer the moving ribbon, as you can see right here. So it's just a matter of time. We just need to sit tight and wait, because like Casper is playing out that same move. Okay, if you go on the 4 hourly, you guys see the same thing. I told you guys it was curving, and as you can see right here, we formed that Star Wars candle right here. This candle right here, that means it's a reversal candle. We came back, touched the support, now start to go up. Look at the moving average facing upwards. Look at the moving ribbon starting to curve. So yeah, I'm telling you guys, Casper is about to move. So yeah, for those of you who took the trade, just sit patient, and you're about to see how much money you're about to make. Anyways, now let's go look at Quant right quick, okay? Because Quant, like I said, guys, I'm trying to rush this thing. I gotta go pick up my kid right quick. But let's look at Quant. QNT. Let's say QNT right here. This is another one. Again, everybody else is running away, telling you different, telling you this and that. And I'm telling you guys that Quant is about to make you a lot of money. Let me zoom out, okay? As you can see, it is a bull flag. That is what Quant is doing right now. So, see, same thing. Nothing has changed but the date. See, we broke out. Now you see the swings are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Sooner than later, you're about to have Quant break above to break this resistance that we have right here. Okay, the resistance that we have is sitting at right now sitting at $92. Okay, we broke it before, got rejected. Look at how many times broke, rejected, broke, rejected, broke, rejected. Now I'm expecting it to do the same, like go up again, try and break it, and in the process, guys, is forming this W, another bullish pattern. Again, the first bullish one is the bull flag. Second bullish flag is forming the W. That's exactly what's happening right now. So if you still want confirmation, I will say wait a little bit, because you can see here the ribbon, okay, although it is minute, is starting to turn red. I think it's going to be a fake out downwards, and then it's going to go up like with a boom, because I'm telling you guys, once Bitcoin hit that 100k, there's a lot of sell orders right there, or close to 100k, and all that money is going to trickle down to the altcoins. Okay, so that's what's happening here right now. And if you go on the 4-hourly, on the 4-hour, the same. Look at that. Quant is just hugging that moving ribbon like nothing else. Look at that. The bull flag up, now consolidating. Look at that, bouncing on top of the moving ribbon. And now we're about to see again, getting ready to try that $92, $93 resistance to see if this time we can turn it into support. Okay, now for Jasmine, again, we haven't changed anything. Let me go there right quick. Jasmine, like I tell you guys, for me, I believe that Jasmine needs to break that 2.3 cents. Once Jasmine breaks that 2.3 cents, yeah, the sky is the limit. Understand? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now for Jasmine. Like I said yesterday, the manipulation was really, really high. Somebody, look, I guess they was trying to take liquidity from the shorts, because you look at that candle right there. This candle is unbelievable. It went all the way almost to 2.5 cents and then got dumped again. So again, we're just doing this sideways movement, up and down, up and down. But me, I'm still waiting to see that price breaks this 2.3 cents. So yeah, that is on a simplest term, that is what I'm looking at right now. See, let's go back here. That's what I'm looking at right now. There's not much to be said other than sit back and wait, because I gave you guys that signal on Casper, and it's starting to play out. Just like I told you guys, you have to be a little bit patient, and then you'll see it go. It has started to play out. Okay, so if you have a position, congratulations. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Because guys, it's not financial advice, right? Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. But before we do that, please, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money very, very quickly. Okay, but if you do know what you're doing, down below I do have Phemex, Bydfi, and Margex. Those three are down below. Sign up, they're going to give you free money, and you can start trading. Okay, because hey guys, please, you gotta practice. If you don't, you're going to have your first class ticket to Rec City, and that is not a joke, guys. It's not a joke. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick, starting with Bydfi. Look at here, Bydfi. Again, those of you who were thinking about swing trading, you would have I don't know if you're happy. I mean, it's not a bad thing to take profits. If you're happy with the profits you make, that's good. But I will tell you guys that you are about to miss a lot of money swing trading Casper, because Casper moves different. But anyways, now as you can see here on my overall, I am still up 15,600. Okay, if you look at my contracts, you see that first of all, my Casper, I am still down 16%, which is nothing. Like I said, you're about to see it go positive in no time. So 16%, which is excuse me a second, $800, $814. On Quant, I'm still up 62%, which is $4,400. Yeah, we're doing pretty good on these ones. So yeah, you want to sit beside and wait, man, that's on you. It's not financial advice, but I will recommend you get yourself on spot at least to make this money. Open your spot positions. Anyways, now if you're looking at Phemex, let's go right here. You guys have to excuse me if I'm rushing, because I gotta go get my kid, like I said. So let's go right here. Okay, let's go look at the Phemex. Oh, excuse me, let me take this out. Phemex is right here, so I gotta sign in on this one. So if you look at Phemex, we are also doing perfectly good. As you can see, we're still up 14,600, pretty good right here, right? But looking at the contracts, on the contracts we see here that on Jasmy, yeah, we're still lagging behind on Jasmy a little bit at 17%, which is $2,000. And on Casper, we are also still lagging behind at 14%, which is $795. Anyway, looking at that, it looks like we are doing pretty good. But guys, like I always say, my positions move up or down very fast because I am a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x entire time. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend it if you don't know what you're doing, because you will lose your money fast. Okay, so now let's go look at my positions, my newest position, which are on Margex. Okay, looking at Margex, that is where, like I tell you guys, when you see an opportunity like something that is, I just showed you guys a couple of days ago, you have to take it. Okay, you got to take it, because if you don't take that chance, you will not be able to make money. But anyways, now looking at my positions right here, let me go on my trades. You guys already know I do have 7 different trades on Margex, 6 of them which are on Casper and 1 on Sui. My first position, I'm up here 197%. As you can see, it is starting to go up, just like I told you guys it would. Starting to go up 197%, which is 1,977. The same with the second positions. You guys already know I opened them in pairs. Okay, the third position is going to be on Sui, which is up 138%, which is also good. Look at here, my fourth and fifth positions on Casper, they are up 485%, which is 4,800, and the next one is 171%. Okay, as you can see, but you see that the last two, okay, last two positions are up 203%, which is just awesome. Why? Because let me go back here. Let me go back here, show you that right quick. Because when I told you guys about this, I saw it coming, and like I said, I do not have Patreons or whatever you call them. I don't have those things. For me, I believe that you have to tell people something, you know, for free, because this giving somebody a signal, it doesn't take you all that effort. Okay, it's not your money they are going to invest. It's their money. So yeah, for me, I feel happy if I can help a lot of people make 1 or 2 cents out of a positions. Again, it's not a financial advice, but this is what I was telling you guys about. As you can see, it is playing out exactly like we said. See, it's breaking out. First time he tried, got rejected. Now second time he's doing that again, but this time around, look, the ribbon is finally curving to the upside. When I told you guys about it here, it was starting to curve. So yeah, you guys already know me, I like to get in way before the price confirms. So yeah, that's what we are looking at right now. Here turning, the other one also turning. Right now you got to see altcoins starts to get price momentum. Excuse me, let me go back here. You're about to see altcoins start to get price momentum, because the Bitcoin, the what you call it, dominance is about to take a breather. $100,000 Bitcoin, guys. The sell orders at that position, they are a lot. So yeah, you're about to see the price come back down probably to $90,000 or something like that, or even lower than that. And when it does, you're about to see altcoins take off. Okay, so yeah, you guys got to monitor that that price level. Okay, don't be surprised. Don't be talking about the bull run is over with by the time you start to see Bitcoin coming down to those price level, because this is just the beginning. Like I told you guys, we're on phase 4. Phase 4 usually is going to take Bitcoin to that $100,000 and then correct to whenever it does. And the phase 5 is when the bull run will be in full effect. Okay, that full effect, it means that's when you're going to see Bitcoin around that $140,000 to $180,000. A lot of people seem to think that's going to be around that 250,000. Guys, I don't think we're going to get there. But anyways, that's what it is. Anyways, that being said, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and like. Okay, we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to do that, guys, so that other people like you with millionaire minds can get these videos and we can always share information. That being said, thank you very much for watching one more time, and please, until I see you in my next one, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.